PC cases come in a lot of shapes and sizes. Lately, we've been seeing a lot of color options too. There are many products available to choose white PC cases, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best white PC cases from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Lion Li High Airflow ADX PC Case. There's white color tax on PC cases for some strange reason, so it can be difficult building a PC with a white case if you're on a budget. The Lankwool 205 mesh is 100% white, with extra color only coming from the 3 included RGB fans. The mesh on the front is a nice alternative to glass or plastic, since both of those would obviously restrict airflow, and the tempered glass side panel is nice at least. Overall, the Lankwool 205 mesh looks well made and doesn't do anything crazy. Cooling capability is solid on the Lankwool 205 mesh. It has support for two 280mm radiators, one at the front and one up top, and uses a mix of 120mm and 140mm fans for a total of up to 5. GPU clearance is acceptable for most high-end cards at 350mm, and the 160mm in CPU air cooler clearance means pretty much any air cooler will fit just fine. Number 2. Thermaltake AT200. If you're choosing a white PC case, it's probably because you want it to stand out, so why not go all the way and get one of the weirdest cases ever designed? Thermaltake's AT200 is a chassis that technically fails at being a chassis by not providing a sealed box for your components to run in. It's essentially the PC case equivalent of a convertible, and is much classier than just buying a chassis and removing the side panels. Despite having this open-air design, there's surprisingly little room for components. There's only room for one 240mm or 280mm radiator at the front and support for 4 fans total. CPU air cooler clearance is acceptable at 150mm, but a GPU clearance of 320mm is surprisingly short. Additionally, ADX-sized motherboards are not supported, only micro ADX and mini ITX. If you really want to make a statement with your PC, Thermaltake's AT200 certainly can do that. Our biggest concern, however, is dust, which is going to get all over everything in this chassis since there's no sealing whatsoever. Expect to be doing frequent cleaning if you go with this case. Number 3. Corsair iQ5000T RGB Mid. Users who want not just a high-end PC, but a top-end PC with the latest hardware might want Corsair's iQ5000T case. The 5000T is not a pure white design as it has a gray accent surrounding the front panel, which you may or may not hate. Additionally, it's more hexagonally shaped rather than rectangular, which helps achieve a balance between it looking like a box and it being too smooth like some gamer Y chassis. The tempered glass side panel and RGB lighting from all the LEDs and the 3 included fans look pretty good too. The slightly more optimal fan configuration makes Corsair's iQ5000T better at cooling than the Torrent, but for twice the price it's not really worth it unless you're using components that actually require that extra cooling capacity. The 5000T also has lots of RGB and an included RGB hub, which are nice inclusions if you care about that kind of stuff. Number 4. Asus TUF Gaming GT501 White Edition Mid. The GT501 goes for a two-tone look with lots of white combined with black accents, but the end result looks nice. The front panel has lots of angled slopes instead of being a flat surface like you see on most cases. It's perforated in order to both create space for air and RGB light to come through, and it sports the TUF logo in case you couldn't tell this case was made for gamers. But perhaps the most gamer-y part of this entire chassis is the power button, which is not a circle, but a weird lopsided hexagon Asus frequently uses on its products, particularly gaming-oriented ones. As for how well the GT501 functions, it's actually pretty decent. It supports two 360mm radiators, one at the front and one in the top. 4 fans are included, so you could just add a single 360mm AO liquid cooler and get the maximum amount of fans possible. Clearance for GPUs and CPU air coolers is also good at 420mm and 180mm respectively. Number 5. Corsair Crystal 280X RGB Micro ADX Case. Small chassis are interesting, just to see how much performance and power you can cram into a compact size. It's not for everyone, but if you are into the somewhat masochistic art of building small PCs, then you might be interested in Corsair's Crystal Series 280X, a micro ADX-sized chassis with support for high-end components. Like most of Corsair's PC cases, the 280X sticks to the formula of RGB, white with some gray accents here or there, and tempered glass, though the 280X has 3 glass panels instead of the usual one on the side. This chassis is also pretty wide since it contains a second chamber for the PSU and cable management, which gives the 280X some interesting proportions, but it manages to pull it off without looking super weird. It supports up to 3 240mm radiators. The top and bottom can also host 280mm radiators and 6 120mm fans, which is as much as we could reasonably expect. GPU clearance is pretty short at 300mm, just a hair short of the 4090's 304mm, but not crippling, while 150mm in clearance for the CPU air cooler means the 280X can take almost any air cooler. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.